As 2019 comes to a close, we wanted to take a look back at some of our favorite projects from this past year. We helped Chris and Michelle wrap up a kitchen makeover that was 20 years in the making. With new countertops, a new sink, and a brand new seating area, this decades-long renovation was finally completed.
And the kitchen has been, it's ongoing since we moved in.
It has been.
And having Danny on hand, it got us over that hump to get it finished.
The Christopher's family den was dark, dated, and straight out of the 70s. Our challenge was to update and brighten the room without losing the original character of the wood. And I think we met it with a space that's bright, light, and accented with a lot of beautiful woodwork.
This is a project I said I was going to tackle the minute we bought the house, but the reality is we've lived here 6 months and haven't touched it. And now seeing everything we've done here with the help of today's homeowner, I don't know if we could have done it on our own.
Curb appeal was the big issue for Greg and Morgan. There was nothing about their simple red brick home that would draw your eye. By opening up the entryway and painting the bricks, we created a cozy, welcoming facade.
It literally looks like we're in a different house here now.
I want to sit outside on my front porch now and be proud of it.
Ronnie and Cindy's bathroom was stuck in the 70s, and yellow was everywhere. New flooring, new countertops, a new bathtub, and a little paint brought their bathroom into this decade.
My favorite part was getting to know Danny and the crew and their family with us now, and we've had so much fun together, but not only watching the transformation of the bathroom, but making new friends in the process.
The Zogby's deck was a great size, but boy was it ugly and a little dangerous, thanks to a lot of rotten wood. So we created a nearly brand new space using composite decking that will never rot. Now it's a beautiful, safe place for the whole family to enjoy.
It looks amazing. It's really a dream come true. And it really adds a whole new room that we really were a little embarrassed of, and now it's going to be a focal point of our parties.
We had a blast with all of our homeowners in 2019, and we can't wait to see what kind of great projects 2020 has in store.